What's up guys, it's BZFS right here. Welcome back to the channel guys. If you watch my previous video, you already know guys, the 5k account got breached. No excuses guys, no blaming the market, the fault was entirely mine. But instead of hiding it, I decided to document everything here on YouTube. I take full responsibility, and this time around guys, we're building with structure and we're starting off again. Now what went wrong? I'm not shifting blame to the system guys, neither am I shifting blame to the risk management or the market. What happened is that I went back to my journal and I get understood that when the losses hit, they hit on who's 5 consecutive losses back to back. If you're trading a funded account, you get to understand that psychology is everything. What I did differently this time around, so instead of jumping into a new proprietary firm account, I had to revisit my chart. I backtested my refined hybrid system from December 2024 to December 2025. This is a full data of 12 full months, and I did this thing just on gold guys. And what I found was that every system has a losing streak, but when this one hit, the wins consistently outweigh the losses. And this is one thing that I liked about this, that if you're finding difficulties in trading or you're having losing streak, don't just change your system. All you have to do is to refine it. Try to backtest this in. Professionally, you can do it with 1 year past data. What is the new plan towards this journey? Now, the new plan towards the journey is to be risking 1% of our account, and I'm going to be targeting 1:5. Some of you out there might think that 1:5 is extremely too much. I mean, I'm trading gold this time around and I'm staying off news. I'm not shifting blame to news right now. It's just that top firms right now has a lot of restrictions towards news. I'm going to be staying completely out, especially those high impact news. That's what I'm going to be doing. Buying a new account. This time around, we're going to be buying a new account, which is a 5k two-step evaluation account. We're still going to be using the same proprietary firm guys, and I'm going to be walking you guys through the chart to show you how to buy this proprietary firm. I mean, this video is going to help you and guide you on how to buy a proprietary firm account. With all that being said guys, let me walk you straight into my chart to get to see how to buy this account. Let's go.
Let me walk you towards getting this proprietary firm account. So all we have to do right now is to visit their website, obviously. Okay, so that's all you have to do. So this is the prop firm that we worked with previously. So we're still using the same prop firm. We're using the same prop firm. All we have to do, you don't need to log in, you just need to buy. Then when you want to log in, they will send you a code. Is it a code or a link for you to access your dashboard? Get started, and we're using a 5k account. Okay, so now these are all the rules that they're listed around here. So that's just that for them. Okay, now all we have to do is to click on select accounts. You can see that they say that our fee right here is 222 USD. I almost say 200 USD. I mean 200 USD to get a 5k account, and it's too much. It's just 22 USD, and this 22 USD we're still going to use the coupon code. Now this coupon code wasn't mine. Okay, I don't have affiliate with these people, nothing. All I did was to go to Profit Match. I told you guys about Profit Match. I made a video about it guys. Just use the link that's going to be popping around here. Go watch that video. So Profit Match happens to give me 5% discount code. So all I have to do is to write Match just like this, you get, then I apply it. So you can see right here they said minus 0.88 cents. I mean, it's not even much, but I think it is okay to do. Okay, now all I have to do now is to fill in my details. Okay, we just place an order right now. I think it's loading now. They are going to give me an account details. I'm going to input the money into it. You just stay with me guys, you enjoy the process. Okay, let's go. So you can see how much it is in Naira. Very, very low entry fee. Pay with bank transfer. So I'm going to be using bank transfer to make these payments. Okay, so I mean, they asked me to pay 29,000, extremely small. I'm going to be making a different video while we're starting with a 5k account. All I have to do is to click. So this is the account details right here. So let's impute the account number. If you're not in Nigeria and you're in other country, you can use the easy payment method you can find. You will see I just made the payment, right? Yeah, I just make the payment. Let me screen grab the receipt. You can see they already wrote successful. Your payment was successful. They've already sent me an email. Right now, all I have to do right now is to log in. See, back to homepage, login. So all I have to do now is to log in. So this is our dashboard. Wow, I think they had something right here going on. I mean, this was not their user interface before. Now I think it's upgraded. You can see this is 2 a.m. I'm recording a video for you guys. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. I mean, let's see if we can get to 1k. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. I think the login details is not something for me to disclose out there. I'm just going to impute it into my MT5 and I will start trading.
So this is a wrap on today's episode. Thank you guys for sticking around. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I mean, imagine me recording video for you guys 2 a.m. GT Pills 1. Thank you for sticking around guys. Until next time, peace and love.